Good morning and welcome to Market Watch Monday. Today we are looking at the top economic releases that will affect the markets this week. Busy week ahead with plenty of economic data and focus on key events. European Central Bank rate decision and series of monthly reports from the US labor sector. May manufacturing PMIs from Germany, Eurozone and United States will be key economic releases on Monday. On Tuesday, Australia's first quarter's current account balance will be in focus during Asian session. German May unemployment change and jobless rate will be closely watched during European session. US April factory orders, April JOLTS job openings and American Petroleum Institute weekly crude oil stocks report will be the highlights of the US session. Australia's first quarter gross domestic product and China's May Caixin Services PMI will be the most interesting events of Asian session on Wednesday. German May Services PMI, Eurozone April Producer Price Index and May Services PMI will be the highlight of European session. Top events of the US session on Wednesday will be US May ADP non-farm employment change, May Services PMI, Bank of Canada interest rate decision, and the US Energy Information Administration's weekly crude stocks report. German April factory orders and the May construction PMI, as well as Eurozone and UK May construction PMI, will be in focus, with the European Central Bank interest rate decision taking the center stage during the European session on Thursday. US weekly jobless claims will be in focus on America's session. China's May trade balance, export and imports will be the highlights of Asian session on Friday. Eurozone first quarter gross domestic product will be the most interesting economic event of European session. Reports from the US labor sector for May, including non-farm payrolls, average earnings and unemployment rate, will be top economic event on Friday, followed by Canada's May jobless rate and employment change.